All right, for this problem it says that Rhonda Runner is increasing her running distance at the rate of 12% per week. If she begins by running 2 miles, how long will it take until her running distance is 5 miles? So once again, here's what I notice about this problem. It says that we are increasing our running distance at the rate of 12%. So once again, we are given a percent for our rate of change. And that's a clue that this is most likely going to be an exponential equation rather than a linear. So once again, our exponential form is y equals p multiply 1 plus r raised to the t. So now let's type in all of our letters, p, r, t, and y. Let's remind ourselves that p is our initial amount, r is the rate of change, t is the time passed, and y will be the new amount after the time has passed. So our initial amount is given to us in that she begins by running 2 miles. We'll write down that that's p, and we'll enter it in the p box. R is the rate of change. It tells us that it is increasing at 12%. Place an R here, and show that R is 12%. Now, because it says increasing, we are going to say that this is positive 12%. If anything's decreasing, we say negative. Now, here's the tricky part. For the time passed, I'm looking through the question, and I notice that there is nothing given about time. So time is not known, so we can leave it blank. Now for the y, they've told us that they want to know how long it takes until the running distance is 5 miles. So this is the y they gave us. But anytime they give you y, we have to use goal seek. Now we can't just type 5 into the box though. We have to enter the formula normally and remind ourselves that t is actually our objective because they say the words, how long? And put a question mark next to that to say that we don't know that. So I'm going to click the T cell and paint it gold to show that we don't know that. But for y, we enter the formula equals p multiply times 1 plus the r, close the parentheses, and then raise to the t power. Again, the t's blank right now, but that's going to change once we do our goal seek. So right now it still says 2. We are going to goal seek the y box to make it say 5 instead of the 2. So we click the y box, go to data, go over here to what if, and say goal seek. We goal seek it to a value of 5 and enter 5 in the center box. By changing the cell that I've painted gold, that's the T. Click on the T box, and now press enter, and the correct answer will pop into the T box because Excel generates it for us. We get 8.08526. So, in order to get a running distance of 5 miles, it's going to take 8.085 weeks of training. Reminding ourselves that the amount of time that was mentioned next to R was per week. That means our time comes out in weeks. So after a little over 8 weeks of training, she'll be able to do 5 miles.